Well, welcome back. In this episode we'll cover going out painting for the first time. And when you do get started, all your worries will melt away and you will enjoy yourself. Stay tuned, enjoy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we find ourselves at Bondi, 18 kilometres east of Sydney. And we're experiencing high winds today because Queensland have a cyclone happening at the moment. So hang on to our hats today and we'll see how we go through it along the way. Some of the Bondi Icebergs. I think I'll establish over there where the fence is and we'll give it a go from there. It's a bit windy but we've taped everything up. I nearly chose another location due to the high winds, but then I thought I can't give up. So what I did, I tied my easel to the railing and taped the little canvas to the larger canvas. I thought, oh, I better give it a go, and I'm glad I did. And here we have the Bondi Pavilion, where you can get yourself an ice cream, a cool drink, or a hot cup of coffee. And they have an art gallery inside there too, so it's always a surprise. So if you think of going out plein air painting, I know it can be a bit daunting. So my suggestion is get a small 10 by 10 centimetre canvas. That way you won't seem so overwhelmed. Then you can work your way up in canvases if you wish. And then when you do get started, you're going to be so busy trying to work out your composition, your colours, the layout, that it won't matter who's behind you. And then when people do approach you, they're so friendly. They're generally intrigued with the whole process. It's not every day you see a plein air painter. And north of Bondi is a surf lifesaving club. The lifesavers are on the beach watching you, dedicated to the cause of keeping you safe. And here's a friendly tourist just having a chat. He's curious about how I lay out my palette and how I get started and how long it takes me to do these pieces of work. You're generally intrigued. And here he asks me whether I have a website. So I've made a t-shirt with my website on the back just to make life easier.
Just wanna stay with you.
It's a little painting, 10 by 10 centimetre. No excuse not to get out and paint if it doesn't take too long. Enjoy the weather a little bit.
Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time.
There we go. That's about 15 to 20 minutes. Just a small 10 by 10 centimetre. On the icebergs, enjoying the weather and the crowds. And when you're finished and packing up, I guarantee you'll be thinking about your next trip out. Thank you for staying tuned, and I hope to see you next time. Today we find ourselves at Bondi Beach. As you can see, it is really windy today.